What's the meaning of crumhorn? Crumhorn. Crumhorn.
Crumhorn. Crumhorn. The crumhorn is a musical instrument from the Renaissance period that produces a unique sound. It is a wind instrument made of wood with a double reed and a curved shape resembling a J. When played, the sound produced is nasal and reedy, similar to a bagpipe or kazoo. The crumhorn was popular in consort music and was often used as a substitute for human voices in choral compositions. Although it fell out of favor in the Baroque period, the crumhorn has experienced a revival in recent years due to its distinctive tone and historical significance.